As the latest addition to Southwest Microwave's intrepid family of next-generation smart sensors, the MicroTrack Buried Cable Detection System is today's intelligent choice for covert perimeter protection, delivering unique features that overcome the limitations of past buried products. Until now, buried sensors have been unable to isolate the exact point of intrusion along a detection zone, delaying alarm assessment and response. With MicroTrack, a volumetric detection field is generated between the system's transmitter and receiver cables. When an intruder enters the field, MicroTrack's smart sensor capabilities detect and analyze the disturbance and calculate its precise location to within 3 meters. Until now, users of buried cable technology have been forced to choose between lengthy detection zones and high system cost. Long zones, while more economical, result in large inspection areas that are often too broad for effective CCTV assessment. Shorter zones increase system costs significantly, as separate processor hardware is required for each zone. With MicroTrack, detection zones are assigned in system software and may be specified anywhere along the cable, up to 100 zones per 200 meters of cable, up to 200 zones per processor. Each zone may be tied into camera presets, facilitating immediate and precise location of disturbances at a fraction of the cost of other buried sensors. With traditional buried sensors, variations in ground material, site characteristics, or burial depth can result in inconsistent detection performance along the protected area. With MicroTrack, uniform detection is assured through sensitivity leveling, a patented site-adaptive calibration process that divides the cables into 2-meter subcells, then measures and adjusts detection sensitivity within each subcell to compensate for variations across the coverage area. Traditional buried sensors are engineered to alarm at any sign of disturbance to the detection field, resulting in a high frequency of nuisance alarms. While lowering detection sensitivity can reduce these unwanted alarms, certain legitimate attacks may go undetected. MicroTrack's patented digital signal processing differentiates legitimate intrusion attempts from harmless disturbances, such as those caused by small animals or environmental factors. This ensures reliable detection and solves the nuisance alarm problems that plague other systems. The high cost and complexity of system installation are significant challenges facing traditional buried cable sensors. To achieve optimal detection, these sensors call for extensive ground preparation, strict limitations on burial media, and precise positioning of the cables. Installation of the MicroTrack system is simpler, less time-consuming, and far more economical. 2 trenches are dug in the burial medium of choice. Transmitter and receiver cables are then simply laid into the trenches and buried. MicroTrack's installation software does the rest, calibrating the system to adjust for variations in burial depth or ground conditions. Servicing of any detection sensor becomes a reality at some point during the life of the system. Until now, the expense of system diagnostics has been a frustration for existing users. Because these are underground systems, locating problem spots can be difficult, often requiring extensive man-hours and expensive equipment to excavate and test long detection zones. MicroTrack's installation software is also an effective diagnostic tool, providing real-time troubleshooting of technical issues with on-screen displays that outline system status at each point along the cable. Potential challenges to the system, such as environmental disturbances or damaged cables, are conveniently identified and often solved via system software, minimizing time and money spent on isolating and servicing the area of concern. For more information on the MicroTrack system, contact your local representative at www.southwestmicrowave.com.